Hi, Pebble.
Holy cow, I like toys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So, you think I need a nice calm home?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I think I need a home where I'm going to sit around all day and not do anything.
I think another dog would be really good. Another fun dog.
A really fun dog.
Yes.
Whoa.
And humans that want activity and fun in their house.
That will play with me all day?
Well, yeah, but if you got another dog.
Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh, there it goes. Oh, I found it. Oh, I almost lost it. Forever. And then I was sad.
How many toys do you want?
All of them, of course.
Oh, my goodness.
So I'm pretty lucky to have been... Oh, it squeaks. What? You laughing at me?
Yes.
Why? It squeaks.
You're really cute, Pebble.
I know. I'm making its butt squeak.
Well, that's good.
Woo! Woo! What's next?
More toys.
More toys.
Oh, you threw the duck away.
Oh, but this one squeaks too.
Are you going to throw that one away when you're done with it?
Pretty much. What's next?
A hamburger.
No, I like this better.
Really?
I'm going to hide it.
Where are you going?
Oh, that one squeaks too? I don't even know what to do anymore.
We have really nice people that give us toys.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, we got to go.
Oh, okay, find me a home.
Okay, bye.